All right, so we had came all the way down here, y'all. Almost got stopped out. Now we trying to flip back bullish. You feel me? We up like $128 right now. But basically though, y'all, your boy got a job. You know what I'm saying? I'm a licensed PCA.
That's what I'm eating, man. Healthy shit. I got some corn, broccoli, carrots in here.
So important to be on point with your psychology throughout a long period of time, because you could be doing everything you got to do for weeks at a time, months at a time. All it really take is a bad week, a bad 2 weeks, a bad month. Just from a short period like that, it could really fuck you up. First day back on YouTube in a month too, and I ain't gonna lie, it just feels good to be back, y'all. I'm for sure happy to be back.
Nigga, I'm dealing with problems, I gotta get through it. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I've been going through pain. I cannot believe all of the shit that you said. I make them sick from the way that I run up the money. They wish they could cut off my legs. All of my real niggas in the streets was starving. Gotta make sure that they fed. Remember days I was trapping apartments. Yeah, nigga gon' get it regardless. Mama, look at what your baby done started. Gotta get it, I'm going my hardest. When I'm popping my shit in the ice.
YouTube, what is good? I am finally back with another video. It's been like a month since my last upload, y'all. There's just been a lot going on, but I'm pretty much about to update y'all what been happening. So in my last video, I told y'all that the house was getting remodeled. It really still is getting remodeled. So it's like with all the workers in and out, all the loud banging, it kind of made me just lose a little motivation to record, at least until it's over with. And then on top of that, I did end up losing my 400 accounts I was trading on. You feel me? But to every downside, it's an upside. You feel me? I lost the accounts. I was trying to, it was just, the accounts was just in a bad stand, and I was trying to climb out a drawdown, and it just wasn't working out, you feel me? But I did end up passing 2 more accounts, so I got 2 more live accounts now, you feel me? So I pretty much lost some accounts, got some accounts back, and I'll be starting that today. I had took a whole week off of trading. It was just pretty much just watching the markets, preparing myself for starting this new account. So now today I'm about to officially start it. I'm gonna be looking to start the account off with a win, obviously. I really started it 2 days ago, but Wednesday and Thursday I didn't really like no setups, you feel me? And this go around, I'm being real patient. I'm really trying to take the best setups, because obviously trading ability, you know what I'm saying, I got it. It just be little psychological shit, but we gonna get more into that later in the vlog, you feel me? But today though, it is Friday, you know what I'm saying, and I'm starting the account, and I'm just trying to get a win, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm back recording, been going for a minute, but we right back at it. It's less activity going on, I could say. So, you know what I'm saying, I should be able to record more on a daily basis, and I'm just trying to get back to normal schedule with y'all. Without further ado though, we about to get right to these charts, man. Same old shit. All right, y'all, my charts is marked up. First, we looking at gold. I don't trade oil no more, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Like over here, these pretty much the only charts I'm trading. Sometimes I'll look at oil, but as of right now, I'm just not trading it because oil been moving pretty stupid lately, I'm not gonna lie. But it's first gold though, so we got a sell zone up here. We got our buy zone down here. We grabbed liquidity. I was kind of waiting for it to break the 61% and then pull back into this demand zone, but it looked like it's already pulling back and we ain't break the 61. So it probably end up losing, or I probably just have to wait for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's currently only 9 o'clock, so there's still a lot of time left. So I'm just pretty much waiting to see what gold trying to do. And then as far as indices right now, we got this small window. We had grab liquidity. If we 9:30 kick in and we do happen to break the 61 and pull back after 9:30, then I'll take it. But when you got a small window like this, you know, indices probably gonna fill that up quick. So we probably just wait for like a better setup. Maybe it come test up to here. You know what I'm saying? I'm just red zone to become slightly smaller, and then I have more room to play with. You know what I'm saying? Something like that though. And then US 30, all the indices pretty much looking similar right now. US 30, same shit, small window. Just waiting for more price action. It's still early. And then SPX, obviously the same shit. So as far as indices, I'm just waiting. You know what I'm saying? It's only 9 o'clock. We still got 30 minutes to the stock exchange open. And then I'll see what indices trying to do. And then as far as gold pretty much just going sideways in this area right here. So it's just a waiting game, y'all. That was a quick update on what everything looking like. Now I'm about to just chill, roll up, you know what I'm saying, all that good shit. Sit back, relax, and wait for it set up. You know what I'm saying? That's my favorite part of the day, on God. And as y'all can see, I have a fresh 25K account, brand new, no trades taken on the account yet. I activated it 2 days ago, but I didn't really like how the market's been looking the past 2 days. So now it's Friday. Hopefully we could make some type of money to end the week, go up about 400 or 500 on the account. That's the plan, y'all. Lost some accounts, got some accounts back. You know what I'm saying? This shit gonna happen, though. It's just all psychological shit. You know what I'm saying? I know as far as trading ability, I got it. I just gotta tighten up a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? It's just with the funded accounts, you tend to get a little, impatient once it been like a couple months. It's like, okay, bro, you start to over trading more, taking 2 trades a day. It's harder to stick to your plan when you can't withdraw your profits right away. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Especially when you gotta get to a certain amount. You gotta get to 1,500, 3 bands before you can even take a payout. You know what I'm saying? If you have a slow month or two, shit could get, you know what I'm saying? Shit could get a little hard, but it's just all psychological, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to tee up with this shit, though. All right, y'all, so 9:30 about to hit. Gold just basically dropped crazy, you know what I'm saying, like I knew it was. That's why we always try to wait for the break of this, you feel me? Because a lot of people probably lost on a lot of trades, you know what I'm saying? Not gonna cap, but that's gold. And then indices broke a little lower, so we got a lot more space to play with on our indices. So this US 30, this is SPX, you feel me? And then this is NAS, so I'm not gonna lie, indices looking pretty good. 9:30 just hit, 9:30 a.m. But I see what we could get, y'all. So on NASDAQ, the 9:30 candle did just break up, and now it's pulling back, but we don't trade the 9:30 candle, you feel me? I don't like trading the 9:30 candle, so I'm gonna wait till 9:35, and then if we pull back up here or like break a candle or something, I'll probably get in. But other than that, I'm gonna stay out this shit till 9:35. So we got our futures chart over here. This one I'm taking a trade on, if y'all don't know. And then this is the Forex chart, what I do my analysis on. And 35 is in about 25 seconds. So if this comes to our entry at 35, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the trade. And I'm gonna do it on camera too, so y'all see everything. All right, let's go ahead and get in. I'm in the trade on NASDAQ, y'all. Broke the 61, came back. It probably look a little cleaner on the 1 minute. You see on the 1 minute, it look a lot cleaner, so that's what it's looking like. About to see what we could get. All right, so we had came all the way down here, y'all. Almost got stopped out. Now we trying to flip back bullish. You feel me? We up like $128 right now. About to just see if we could keep going and hit take profit now. You know what I'm saying? Hard part pretty much over with. We is up about $200. We just broke above the 61 again, so should be good. Everything looking good right now. I'm liking this candle. I'm liking everything for real. And take profit was just hit, y'all. I've been going for a minute. I'm back now. You know what I'm saying? Still doing the same shit. We just made us about $360 for the day. First trade of the account. We up $360. Feel me? Just looking to just keep this shit going, y'all. I ain't about to get too excited when I win. I ain't about to get too mad when I lost. I'm about to just trade, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Emotionless as possible. Stick to the plan. 1 trade a day. The shit about to happen, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I seen the shit 4K today. You know what I'm saying? And that's that. I don't really got too much to say. Ready to start my day now. All right, y'all. So I'm using the front camera temporarily because I don't know where the fuck my tripod went. I'm about to go grab a new one in a minute, though. But basically, though, y'all, your boy got a job. I'm saying I'm a licensed PCA, patient care aide, and I basically just be going to like elderly people homes, and I be helping taking care of them. You know what I'm saying? The client I got now, he's live with his wife, so his wife pretty much be there and was just showing me the ropes. I just started a couple days ago, so yeah, though, I'm back working. You know what I'm saying? It's a good job. You know what I'm saying? Deep in the burbs, big ass house, damn near mini mansion. You know what I'm saying? On some real shit, nice ass neighborhood, and the shit pay good. So, you know, all this money could just go back in the market. You know what I'm saying? This could just help push me more towards the end game, you know what I'm saying? The goal, the touchdown, basically. We about to go with the cheap shits, man. 5 and below type shit. $5. Can't lose. Get up out of here. Can't lose with that. Alright, y'all, we back lit as far as the tripod. Now I'm about to go get me something to eat. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably about to go hit up Core Life Eatery. I've been on some straight healthy shit. At least I've been trying to be on some healthy shit lately. As far as just eating more fruits and vegetables and shit like that, you feel me? But yeah, that's the move. And then we gonna go ahead DoorDash, make us a couple more dollars, because that's just the type of time I'm on. My birthday coming up in 2 weeks, if y'all ain't know. I'm pretty sure none of y'all knew, actually. But yeah, my birthday is in 2 weeks, and I got to get outfits, shoes, all type of shit. I'm a fashion nigga. I'm into getting dressed up. I'm into getting fly, shit like that. So, you know, my fits got to go Scotty. So, yeah, y'all, it's just, you know what I'm saying, we got to make this money. And then not only that, we got to make this money to pay for accounts, put money back into the markets, because that's the main goal here. This job should just be temporary, just to get me by for the moment. You know what I'm saying? But the whole objective is obviously to get rich. We still in the same timing, y'all. And yeah, we about to get straight to it. I ain't gonna lie, it just feel good to be back, man. I ain't been vlogging, I ain't been recording at all. So just to be back in the mix, get back in this algorithm, shit feel good, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
I already done started chowing down, yo. I forgot to record, but that's what I'm eating, man. Healthy shit. I got some corn, broccoli, carrots in here. Some purple rice. I think that's like the healthiest rice. Some grilled chicken. Whole bunch of good shit. I'm trying, y'all. I'm definitely trying.
Quick, y'all, I just pretty much want to touch on like the biggest thing I learned from losing these accounts that I just previously had, you feel me? And it's honestly just all psychological, and it's just so important to be on point with your psychology throughout a long period of time, because you could be doing everything you got to do for weeks at a time, months at a time. All it really take is a bad week, a bad 2 weeks, a bad month. Just from a short period like that, it could really fuck you up. And that's pretty much what happened to me. I just got way too impatient, and I just started doing too much. Another thing I learned is you don't gotta trade every single day. You feel me? The best shit I suggest to do, and what I'm pretty much learning how to do now, is just, first of all, you should only trade based on your wins. If you won on Monday and you just won a 2%, 3% in a day, there's no reason why you should have to trade the remaining 4 days. I just feel like as traders, especially as beginner trader, I'm not really a beginner no more, but like as a trader who ain't really see his highest potential yet, I should say, we tend to chase high. We want to win 5, 6, 7, 8, 10% in a week. When it's just 1%, 2% consistently a week, that should do. And I preached that in the last video, but it's like, that's really all you need. So if you get up 2, 3%, scale down, or maybe don't trade 2 days out the week, and just come back and only trade Thursdays and Fridays. So that way, if you lose, you get a guaranteed 1%, 2% week. You feel me? Just try to, I gotta protect my capital more. I felt like I had to trade every single day I showed up to the market looking to take a trade 5 days out the week, when in all reality, for one, I should have just been looking for the best setups possible. I should have, you know what I'm saying, I should have stayed away from them C setups. And for two, I should have, when I did get up for the week, I should have took a couple days off, especially high risk days like Wednesdays or like CPI, NFP. Like, it's just certain days where you should stay out the market. And I just feel like I'm so obsessed with trading, I kind of felt like I had to show up to the market every single day of the week, no matter the circumstances, when that's really the wrong approach. Because first of all, every time you lose accounts, that's why I wasn't never really tripping when I lost the account, because for one, it ain't shit for me to get funded. Like, it's just so easy for me to get funded now. All I'm gonna do is just go
all out and I mean just go all in, and then I really just got to win one trade and then I'm right back funded. So that's pretty much what I did. I bought me a couple Apex accounts, went all in, and just like that I got 2 of the accounts back. So I'm never gonna really beat myself up too much if I do lose an account, because I know it ain't shit to get it back. You feel me? But yeah though, the main thing though is just psychological over a long period of time. Just staying patient, you know what I'm saying? Just knowing that you can't have a good week every week. Some weeks you will have bad weeks, and you got to prepare for that. You don't want to make your bad weeks even worse by over trading because you're getting a little too antsy, getting a little too impatient. You feel me? You just got to stick to the plan all around. Over months, over years at a time, you got to stick to that plan. And that's just what I'm really just more focused on now. And I just feel like my discipline is just about to be way crazier. Because it's like I'm not even showing up to the markets just wanting to trade. Like, I'm showing up to the markets ready to get the fuck on. Like, you know what I'm saying? My main objective is to hurry up, do what I got to do so I can go start my day, whether it's a win, a loss, or no trade. I'm just not even tripping no more. I used to trip a little bit. Like, I thought I had it, but it wasn't all the way there, because it's just certain situations and scenarios where you could kind of backtrack, and that's what happened to me. That's just the main thing I had to talk about real quick though, just psychology. That's the most important thing, because as far as trading ability and strategy, as y'all could see in my videos, I got that shit down packed to the max. It's just, it be certain days, certain weeks where you kind of wake up on the wrong side of the bed, the wrong side of the charts, I guess you could even say. And you know what I'm saying, sometimes shit just don't go good, and one bad day, one bad week could throw you off your whole account, especially when you gotta deal with prop firms and all these rules and drawdown and trailing drawdown, and it's just a whole bunch of stipulations that could fuck y'all up. But I've been yapping for a minute though, y'all. I'm about to go grab this order. I'm about to get ready to stop soon. Probably make me a couple more dollars, and then we gonna take it in, y'all, and then that's gonna be that.
Hey Sarah, you don't gotta be afraid to do your drugs wherever. Sober up, get better. Sober up, get better. I wanna party with you, but do you wanna party with me? And I hope you're not in need of love, girl, cause I got the love that you need. Bring me all the way up to the moon, cause I don't wanna be here when you leave. Lately life's been like a nightmare, cause you wake me from out of this dream. I'm too bad to complain, I feel good.
I'll be like on some shit.
Shoot it in. Everybody gon' get their shot, what you gon' do with it? Wake up every day, mind on another million. Get up, get you some money, get the fuck up out your feelings. I had a harder way of living, and now the stars up in the ceiling. Front camera, back camera, whole dash digit. On the interstate, out of state, getting high. You know I'm on the way to that money right now. I know the grind don't stop, you never dead. You know the grind don't stop, and it never will.
Alright, this probably gonna be my last order, y'all. Insomnia cookies. About to go ahead and wrap this shit up. Made what I wanted to make today. Good day, worked my regular job and made a couple dollars. I can't complain. Just grab this shit.
You guys have any oatmeal raisin cookies?
Yeah. Give me just a second.
I'm gonna give you a second. That's what I'm saying. There's no bus button come. I really want to try your cookies up. I'm a cookie monster. Cookie.
All right, there you go.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So I am home now, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and wrap up this vlog. First trade on a new account, ended up with a W for today. You know what I'm saying? We up on the account. That's always good. I cannot complain. And then made us a couple dollars. And then first day back on YouTube in a month too. And I ain't gonna lie, it just feel good to be back, y'all. I'm for sure happy to be back. Promise y'all I'm about to start being consistent again, start posting, keeping y'all updated. I just had to take a little break, handle some stuff. Y'all know how that shit go. We need them little mental breaks every here and there. But moving forward, all gas, no breaks. I ain't about to keep playing with niggas, man. With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.